Hello everybody, we're back.
We're back?
We have a big show today for you.
Yes, we do.
We got two things.
Two things. Count them. 1, 2.
These are from Hillshire. They're snacking small plates, both of them.
Yeah. And we got two types of them, I think. Yeah.
We're going to try it.
The one over by me has salami. I have salami. What do you have, Larry?
I have all natural chipotle chicken breast.
That's chicken. And I have salami.
And it has cheddar cheese in it.
Yeah, and they both come with cheddar cheese and toasted rounds.
Toasted rounds.
Whatever. I don't know what a toasted round is, but I'll take it. And it comes in a little thing like this. As you try to take it off.
There.
Like this. Salami. Salami.
And this is all
Chicken.
natural chicken breast.
Salami. Salami.
So,
And they come in these little cute things.
let's try this one first.
So you take a thing of a toasted round.
You take a piece of the chicken breast.
And then some cheese.
Cheese. I'll leave the top part out.
And you eat it.
And then you got this.
And you eat it. Mm.
Cheese is good. This is chicken breast.
I don't know what part chicken it was.
It's a breast.
How can you tell?
That's what's that on the package.
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty good.
With the chipotle.
Chipotle chicken breast. Right?
Really changes the taste. It doesn't taste like chicken. It tastes like
Very crunchy rounds.
like that there.
Whatever these are, they're very crunchy. I don't know what it is. It's like bread? Is it a cracker?
Now this is, what was this?
Salami. Salami.
Salami. There.
And you choose the exact same thing. And it's
Yeah.
actual meat. It's not like some artificial stuff.
And it goes on there like that.
As I try to pull apart my salami. There you go.
And this is almost like that other thing we reviewed.
It's not. It's nothing like the other thing we just did.
Lunchable.
This is actually somewhat good. This is actually pretty good.
Pretty good. Let's see what this tastes like.
Salami. It's good.
I like this one better.
Mm.
Same kind of cheese.
So it is the same cheese. It's the same kind of. I don't know what they are. Is it crackers? But they're good.
They're good. They're
Pretty toasty. Toasty, whatever the toasty cracker things. And then there's cheese and salami. Pretty good.
mm-hmm. Okay. Here's a joke. A cringe joke. You've heard the rumor going around about butter. Never mind. I shouldn't spread it. I shouldn't spread it. That's a good one. I shouldn't spread
The rumor about butter. Why not, Larry?
They shouldn't spread it. Okay.
I like these. These are good.
They're okay. I'm not too crazy about this stuff. This chicken breast.
It's good for what it is. When it comes to like simple and like, I don't know, it's good. And I like these a lot. These crunchy things.
What did they call those?
Toasted rounds?
Just toasted rounds. Okay. I got this at Target if you're looking for it. Look, a nice little lunch.
Nice little lunch, little snack or something. It's pretty good. Me personally, I'd go for this. I like this one better. I don't know why, I just do. Right, Larry?
Mm-hmm.
Salami.
Don't have no information on it
They don't.
about what the calories are or anything.
That might be on the bottom. Yeah, it is. This one has 310 calories. And like all that is 310.
Parentin, it says sodium 650 milligrams, calories 230. It's not bad.
It's not bad.
And you get these squiggly things here.
I like these a lot. Anyway.
Cracks and go like this.
No!
Oh my goodness. Somebody just fell on the floor.
I think it was your musical pig.
Okay. So that's Hillshire,
Small plates.
small plates.
I'd get this again if I ever need like a quick lunch.
I give them both a 2.
Yeah, 2. They're pretty average, but they're pretty good. It's like actual meat instead of like some artificial stuff like Lunchables. These are good.
Okay.
These are good.
That's going to be it for today. It was nice seeing everybody again. We'll be back with something weird tomorrow. Pick my pig up. There. See you later. Bye. Bye, everybody.
Bye bye. Bye.
Bye.